Hi everyone, my name is Leonid and I would like to spend a couple of minutes to discuss 3 common concerns when migrating from Heroku to AWS. The first concern is how much the migration is going to cost, and actually it depends on the platform you are going to migrate to. If you have a pretty standard monolithic stack like Rails or Django, the simplest platform within AWS to migrate to would be Elastic Beanstalk. It's not as easy as Heroku to configure, but I think you should expect good results within 2 to 4 days. If your architecture is leaning more towards microservices, a better option would be to use a service called Elastic Container Service, which provides Docker orchestration and it's managed by Amazon. Paired with a command line tool like Empire, you can actually achieve a similar to Heroku workflows. Within 4 to 7 days, you can see some good results, especially if you're not so familiar with Docker. If you are okay with writing some chef configuration management cookbooks and you value flexibility, a good option would be to use a service called OpsWorks. Actually, personally, I don't recommend to use that service most of the time because it takes weeks to emulate ease of use of Heroku. Another concern is how easy it's going to be to use the AWS-based platform, especially when you are comparing that to ease of use of Heroku CLI. And in day-to-day tasks, I think Elastic Beanstalk and Empire provide pretty similar command line ease of use. The only exception would be when you need to add an add-on like a monitoring agent. Heroku provides that in one click, and in all AWS-based services, you probably will need to spend some time to integrate that service by yourself, and it can take a day or two. Another concern is how much maintenance will be required after you are going to migrate. And in a scale from zero touch to a full-time job, I think Elastic Beanstalk and ECS come pretty close to Heroku. If you choose to use a service like OpsWorks and write your own chef cookbooks or write your own automation on top of EC2 virtual machines, you should expect much more maintenance. And if your stack is going to grow, this actually can grow into a full-time job. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you have any questions, please email them to me.